Hello students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center and Shah sir classes. I am Shah here. My dear students, today I will be discussing the maths last minute revision for Karnataka SSLC state board students and also the students who are following Ncert syllabus. So we just wait for another 2 minutes, then we begin with the session. So let all the students and all the participants join for today's session. Yes, hello students. Now I will be solving few important questions and I hope you have seen the last session. Okay, in our last session already I have given few important questions and I have given the study plan, how you can plan, and I have given the PDF link also in the description. If you have not gone through that, please kindly download it. You can go to the description of last session video. In the description there is a Google Drive link is there. You just click that and you can download that link and you can take the printout of it and you can start preparing for that. And also I request all the participants, all the students, kindly don't waste your time with any of the social networking sites, because this is a very crucial time for your preparation. I don't like you want to waste your much time with all unnecessary activities. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me. So the live has already started. So let's begin with today's session. Question number 1. I just want to know from your end, is my voice is clear? And can you watch the things what I am teaching? Is everything is clear? Please confirm. Students, kindly confirm. Is my voice is clear? Is it audible? Screen is visible? Can you confirm it first, so that I will be starting with the session? And in today's class I will be discussing two different topics. This is maths last minute revision. Today we are solving few important problems, and after that we will be solving the science last minute revision, how to plan and what to study. Done? Okay, take down the first question. If sine of x minus 20 degree is equals to cos of 3x minus 10 degree, then find the value of x, Can you solve, students, this problem? If sine of x minus 20 is equals to cos of 3x minus 10, then find the value of x. Can you solve this? Here already have given the passing packet, so I am not solving the problems related to elimination method, formula method, okay, and finding the discriminant, nature of the roots. Those are the simple sums. Already I have given the questions also in my last session. You can just go through those questions and you can solve each and every question out of it. If in case if you find any doubts, kindly please type the question in the comment section. I will be discussing that problem in my next period, in my next session. If you find any doubt with respect to any problem, you can comment to us, so that we will be discussing those doubts. And also if you have any other problem, the doubt, even those problem also you can ask me, and I will be solving that doubt sum. Along with that, if any related problem is there which is very important for examination point of view, I will let you know. Is this clear? Okay. Now what is the solution for this problem? Any guess? Okay. Let me solve this question. Given sine of x minus 20 degree is equals to cos of 3x minus 10 degree. Now you may have noticed one problem, I mean one identity, one important trigonometric concept. Remember this logic: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. See children, in problem, in case if you get 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, if we get any of these values, then we have a table that is called as trigonometric standard angles table, isn't it? We are using trigonometric standard angles table to find the values of these 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Got it? Now out of these values, if we get any other value, then we are going to use, that is called as trigonometric complementary angles. Understood? If we get any value out of this context, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, then we use trigonometric complementary angles, and this is the logic to solve that. Remember, sine, cos, tan, cot and cosecant and secant, that is nothing but sine of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Similarly, cos of 90 minus theta, that is equals to sin theta. Is this clear? Sine of 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan of 90 minus theta, cot of 90 minus theta, tan theta, secant of 90 minus theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. Got it? Now what we have to do here, out of these two values, change any one value. Keep sine as it is, change for cos, or keep cos as it is, change for sine. In case if I want to change sine, see this is in the form of sine, can you see this, sine x minus 20, sine x minus 20. Now let me convert this into the form of sine of 90 minus theta. Then what is sine of 90 minus theta? That is cos theta. See, sine x minus 20, okay, x minus 20. So what I will do here, very simple, I will show you here. Now what I will consider? I will consider this sine, this x minus 20, this complete value I will consider that as theta. Okay, is this clear? What we have considered this x minus 20, that is sin theta. Okay, theta means x minus 20. Now what is sin theta? Can you see here what is sin theta? Sin theta can be written as cos of 90 minus theta, isn't it? Sin theta can be written as cos of 90 minus theta. Now what we do? Very simple, sin theta means cos of 90 minus theta. What is theta? here theta is x minus 20. So, we can write cos of 90 minus theta. What is theta? Theta is x minus 20, close the bracket, that is equals to cos of 3x minus 10. Now, we can see cos get cancels, 90 minus into plus minus x minus into minus is plus 20 is equals to 3x minus 10. Now, 90 plus 20, how much? It is 110 minus x is equals to 3x minus 10. Now, what we do here, 110 keep it as it is, this minus 10 come to the other side, it is plus 10 is equals to 3x minus x come this side, it becomes plus x. So, 110 plus 10 is 120 is equals to 4x, then x is equals to 120 divided by 4, that is nothing but 30 degree. Is this clear? 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 0 as it is. Therefore, the value of x is how much? That is 30 degree. Any doubts? Is there any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Let me know if you have any doubt with respect to this problem. Shall we go to the next problem? Okay. Now, next sum, let me solve. Evaluate 6 cos 60 degree minus, don't touch, minus minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. Can you solve this value? What is the answer? Evaluate sin, 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degrees. Children, I hope you know the table, that is trigonometric standard angles table, that is sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot, isn't it? Yeah, if you know the table, you can just draw the table and you can substitute the values over here. Now, as we can see here, first you write the question as it is, 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degrees. 6 as it is into cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? Check in the table, cos 60, the cos 60 value is 1 by 2, isn't it? Good. Minus sin 30. What is the value of sin 30? Check. Good. The value of sin 30 is also 1 by 2. Now, as we can see, we know the identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, isn't it? Now, if you want, you can write sin 45 value, do it square, cos 45 value, do it square, like that also you can evaluate. If not, as we can see this value, that is sin square 45 plus cos square 45, it is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is plus 1, that is it. So, directly you can substitute the values like this. Got it? Now, 2 1s are 2 3s are, that is 3 1s are 3, right. Next, minus 1 by 2, then plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2. So, we can see this. So, you can just write is equals to, means this is the RHS. Now, 2 is the LCM, 2 4s are 8 minus 1, that is nothing but 8 minus 1 is 7 by 2. So, the final answer is 7 by 2. Is Niza Fatima, answer is not 3 child. The value of this question, I mean the solution for this question is 7 by 2. Is this clear? Is this clear, students? Shall we solve the next problem? In case if you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. Now, let me try with the next problem. That is question number 3. I request the participant by the name Devil Game RZ kindly cooperate in the class. It is a live session. It is a live session. So, kindly do not disturb because we have a limited time. In this limited time, we need to cover the maximum contents. I do not want any of your work should get postponed it, and even the time what is been allotted, you have to get 100% marks out of it. So, kindly cooperate child. I do not want to remove anyone here. So, please observe the steps, follow the steps, and then you can solve the problem related to these. So, I am showing you the way and the method and the types of questions what you can expect for your final boards. So, kindly cooperate child. Okay, next question. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta, that is equals to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Prove that sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta is equals to sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. Very interesting problem. I will give one clue for you people what you have to do here. See here. We know that the standard trigonometric ratios are sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. ठीक है. देखो बेटा, अगर से आपको क्वेश्चन में ए दिया गया है, in case in the question if it is been given sin and cos, please don't do anything for that. Keep it as it is. In this kind of prove that sums, if you get any value like sin and cos, don't do anything for that. Keep it as it is. In case if you get tan, tan can be written as sin by cos. Got it? Tan can be written as sin by cos. You have to change tan as sin by cos. In case if we get cot, cot can be written as cos by sin. Isn't it? Cot can be written as cos by sin. If we get cosecant, cosecant can be written as 1 by sin. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin. Similarly, secant can be written as 1 by cos. So, this shifting you need to know. Understood? If you get sin cos, don't do anything. Let it be any problem related to prove that sum. This is the simple logic what I am giving. Got it? Understood? Mr. Deadly Fire, please kindly don't chat irrelevant talks. It should not disturb other participants. Do remember, I don't like anyone should get disturbed. Okay. Is this clear? Tan, sin by cos, cot, cos by sin, cosecant 1 by sin, secant 1 by cos. Got it? Good. Now, what we can do here in this problem? Very simple. I will show you the steps, follow these steps. That is more than sufficient to solve not only this problem, any problem related to prove that sum. This is the simple logic. Okay. Now, I will take the LHS part. What is LHS here? observe here, the LHS is sin theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta by 1 minus tan theta. Done. Now, sin theta, let me to write as it is, divided by 1 minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, correct. Let me to write the brackets, this is the denominator, got it. Next, plus cos theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, got it. That is equals to sin theta by, now you can see in denominator there is a fraction, that is sin theta, isn't it? Yeah. So, I will take the LCM, the LCM is sin theta. Now, sin theta into 1 is sin theta minus cos theta, after taking the LCM, that is sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, then plus cos theta by, what is the LCM here, that is cos theta into 1 is cos theta, then minus sin theta. Now, that is equals to sin theta, this denominator to the denominator will become numerator, isn't it? Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, if it comes to the numerator, what it becomes? It becomes into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta, excuse me, plus cos theta into this cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta comes to the numerator, then it becomes cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta, isn't it? Now, sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now, as you can see the denominators, here it is sin theta minus cos theta, but here it is cos theta minus sin theta. Now, I want to change this cos theta minus sin theta as sin theta minus cos theta. So, what I will do, this is very important step. So, what I will do here, you can see very interesting step, you should not forget this step. Now, what I have done here, sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta, in place of plus I am going to write minus. In case if we change the sign plus to minus, what it happens, as you can see here, that is cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta will become sin theta minus cos theta. This is important step, you should not forget. Now, plus if you write minus here, so plus cos theta will become minus cos theta, minus sin theta will become plus sin theta. You should not forget this step, it is very important step. Now, LCM, what is LCM? Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. The LCM is sin theta minus cos theta. As we can see, the denominators are same. In case if the denominators are same, we can add the numerators, isn't it? Now, we can see here sin square theta minus cos square theta. Any doubts? Now, sin square theta minus cos square theta, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a means sin theta, b means cos theta. Understood? So, a square means sin square theta minus b square means cos square theta. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square can be written as a plus b, that is sin theta plus cos theta, into a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta, divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Understood? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, that is sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Now, this sin theta minus cos theta, this sin theta minus cos theta will get cancels, then what it becomes? So, the left out part is sin theta plus cos theta, that is our RHS. Now, finally, you can conclude that therefore, LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Any doubts? Kindly check it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Make it fast. Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts with this step, you can ask me.
You
Do you have any doubts with this step? No doubts? Others, please let me know if you have any doubts with respect to these steps. You can ask me. Okay. Now let me proceed to the next problem. Yes, child, do you have problem in mean, mode and median, isn't it? Okay, we will solve the problem. Take down. The next question is number 4. So, one student is requesting, sir, solve one problem related to mean, mode and median, isn't it? Okay. Take down the question. Calculate the mean for the following frequency distribution. Calculate the mean for the following frequency distribution. Okay. So, take down the table. Class interval, frequency, class interval 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55. Frequencies are 4, 3, 6, 5, 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 2. Now here the problem is we need to calculate the mean. To calculate mean, the first most important point is you should know the formula. So, basically to solve mean we have 3 different formulas, or by using 3 different ways we are finding the mean. That is direct method, that is also called as actual mean method. Second is assumed mean method, and the third is step deviation method. Got it? Understood? To find mean, how many methods are there? Actual mean method, that is also called as direct method. Second, assumed mean method. Third, step deviation method. If we see the trend from past years, most of the students are solving the mean by using actual mean method, that is called as direct method. So, now at this moment I will be solving by using direct method. Okay. So, first we have to find the midpoint, that is called as course or midpoint x. 5 to 15, what is the midpoint of 5 to 15? We do not know, assume we do not know. So, what to do? Just add these both the numbers, this is the logic. 5 plus 15, how much? 5 and 15, can you see this? The range is 5 to 15. Now, the initial step what you can do, add these both the numbers. 5 plus 15 is how much? It is 20, divide by 2. How much? 2 ones are 2 tens are. So, the midpoint is 10. Similarly, 15 plus 25, how much? 40, isn't it? Divide by 2, how much? 20. Just you find 2 values. Now, how many intervals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10, after 10 what we are getting? 20, after 20 what we should get? 30, then 40, then 50. 5 intervals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, we have got the values. So, just find 2 values and aram se you can find the rest of the values by using this method. Got it? Now, after that the frequencies values. The frequencies are 4, 3, 6, 5, 2. Please write in order. Got it? First you fill this form. After writing this, somewhere let me to write here itself mean. What is mean? Mean is x bar, that is equals to sigma fx by n. So, what is the formula to find mean? Formula to find mean is sigma fx by n. Got it? But most of them will use the formula like this, sigma fi xi by sigma fi, they will use this. So, even if you want, you can use this or you can use this, both are one and the same, do not get confused. Now, see in formula what is required, find that. Sigma means addition, add. What we should add? F into x values we have to add. We have f, we have x, but here what we should do? We need to find f into x, that is f into x. That simple. 10 4s are 40, 23s are 60, 36s are 180, 45s are 200, 52s are 100. Any doubts? Understood? Good. Understood? Good. Now, what we should do here? Very simple. First, what value we want to find mean? Mean means x bar, sigma fx. Add all the values of fx. 0, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 8, 1 carry, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the final answer? That is 580. What is this 580? This 580 is sigma fx. So, what is the value of sigma fx? It is 580 divided by n. N means add all the values of f. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So, this 20 is nothing but that is sigma fi, that can also be written as n, both are one in the same. So, what is the value of n? That is 20. Then 0 0 get cancels, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 2 9s are 18. So, the value of mean is 29. Understood? Is this clear? Good. Is there any doubt still here? You can ask me. So, this is how we need to find mean. And next, let me solve the problem related to mode. Okay. So, same steps, you just change the values and you can try for rest of the sums. And if you want still more questions, you can just go with our Evershine study material, Evershine Coaching Center ESCC study material. In our last video, in yesterday's class video, in the description I have given the questions. Okay, you can just download those Google links, Google Drive links. From that you can solve n number of problems. Is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear, students? Please let me know fast. Is my voice is clear? Child, if you are getting any voice problem or something, any important shaded region sums, yes child, I will be solving. Good. Now, let me solve the problem related to mode. Take down the question. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. Take down the value. Yes, I will be solving shaded region sum, do not worry. After this sum, I will be trying with that problem. Okay. Take down. The first question, here is class interval. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 7, 9, 15, 11, then 8. Okay. Now, in this problem, what we need to find? Yes, till my voice is clear, and if you can't hear it properly, please rejoin the class. Just log out, again you can log in. Okay, because I think you are the only one student of finding this problem, so better you can rejoin the class, so the voice and the clarity will be clear, because the thing is the networking problem will be there for that purpose. Okay, find the mode. Now, to find the mode, we have the formula. First you write the formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by, see, this is the logic what you should do, F1 minus F0. Again you write here F1 minus F0 minus F you write. See, F1 minus F0 you wrote, no? Same way you write here also F1 minus F0, same as it is, minus here you write 2, again here also you write 2. So, the formula is what? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So, this is how you can remember the formula. Okay. Now, let me find step by step. First value, what we want? F1. In frequency, which is the bigger number? 7, 9, 15, 11, 8. Which is the bigger number? 15. So, 15 is F1. Previous number is F0. After number is F2. This is the logic. F1 is a bigger number, previous number F0, after number is 11. So, F1, F0, F2. Okay. In F1 range, can you see the value? What is the range? F1 20 to 30. This 20 to 30 we call it as modal class. What we call it as? Modal class. Modal class is 20 to 30. In this 20 is lower limit, at 30 is upper limit, but here we want L. L means lower limit. The value of L is 20. The value of L is what? 20. Is this clear? Good. F1, what is the value of F1? F1 is 15. Next, F0, F0 is 9. F2, F2 is 11. H, H means 30 minus 20. What is 30 minus 20? How much? Very good, it is 10. So, we got all the values. Now, substitute here. Now, let me substitute here. Now, we can write here mode is equals to L is 20 plus F1 is 15 minus F0 is 9 divided by 2 into F1 is 15 minus F0 is 9 minus F2 is 11 into H is 10. Then 20 plus 15 minus 9. What is the value of 15 minus 9? How much? 6 by 2 15s are 30 minus 9 minus 11 is minus 20 into 10. So, let me to write here the rest of the values. Just a minute, if you can't see these values what I have written. I hope it is disturbing. Okay, let me to shift that side, isn't it? Now, I hope it is clear for you all. Just a minute. Okay. Now, 20 plus 6 by 30 minus 20 is 10 into 10. This 10 get cancels, that is 20 plus 6. So, mode is equals to 26. Any doubts? Any doubts till here? Please let me know if you have any doubts still here. No doubts? Good. Now, let me solve one problem. Okay, take down the question. So, this is question number 6. Take down. APD and BPC are two semicircles in a square ABCD of side 14 centimeter, full stop. Find the area of the shaded region. So, take down the figure. So, we have a square. Let me to draw a square. Okay. So, in that let me to draw a rough figure. It is a semicircle. Let me draw a semicircle. ABCD is a square. Okay. ABCD is a square. APD and BPC are the semicircles. Okay. BPC are the semicircles. Now, we need to find the shaded region. So, this is the question. Can you try this? So, you can try. I will give you 2 minutes time. You can try for this. Let me see who will get the exact solution, and I will be carrying with this sum. Okay. Let's begin. Is any of you have got the solution for this? What is the final answer? What is the final answer? Excuse me, switch off. Okay. Let me solve this sum. Okay. So let us solve this problem. So first we have to find the complete area. What's the, here in the question they said that APD and BPC are two semicircles. APD and BPC are two semicircles. So these are what? Two semicircles, and ABCD is a square. So first let me find the area of this complete region. So area of this complete region is, the region is in the shape of a square. So we know that area of a square is side square. Area of a square is what? Side square. Is this clear? Okay. Side, AB is a side, BC is a side, CD is a side, AD is a side, all these four are sides, isn't it? We know that all the sides in a square will be equal. Kindly one by one let me to solve this. Okay. After solving this problem, I will be clarifying the other doubts. So side, what is AB? AB is 14. We know that in square all the sides are equal, isn't it? So 14 square, 14 into 14, how much? Very good, it is 196 centimeter square. So this is area of a square. After finding the area of a square, we know that APC and BPC are semicircles. That's nothing but, if this is a circle, if we cut this circle into two equal parts, then this is one half of the circle and this is the another half of the circle. So this region is called as semicircle, half circle, correct? Now here how many semicircles are there? Two semicircle, means this is one semicircle and this is one semicircle. If these two semicircles, if you add, then it becomes a full circle. So here directly we can use the formula, that is area of circle. If not, you can write here area of two semicircles. Area of two semicircles. See, what is the formula to find area of circle? We know that area of circle is pi r square. Semicircle means what we should do? Divided by 2. If we do half of this, excuse me, close the door. Okay, area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, so if you have to do semicircle means divide by 2. So what is the area of semicircle? That is pi r square by 2. If we want two semicircles, then we write 2 into pi r square by 2. Then this 2 will get cancels, and then what is left out? Pi r square. So pi as it is. Now what is the radius? RP, student, I will be sharing the PDF link, child, don't worry, I will be making separate video on that. I will record the session and I will upload it in my video, in my YouTube channel tomorrow. Excuse me, close the door. Okay. So what is the value of pi? So the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius. See children, this is interesting. See, if this is a square, we know that is 14 centimeters, isn't it? How much it is? 14 centimeter, isn't it? Now what is half of this? that is 7 centimeter, isn't it? Now this is 7 centimeter. Now here we are taking this region, isn't it? And here we are taking this region. So if this is 14, okay, what is the half of this? 14 is the diameter and 7 is the radius. So we can write here 7 into 7, 7 into 7. Any doubts? Understood? Yeah. Now this 7 get cancelled, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15, that is nothing but 154 centimeter square, 154 centimeter square. So this is the area of two semicircles. Now what we should do, from the entire circle to find the shaded region, therefore area of shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to, what is the total area? That is nothing but 196 minus what is the inside area? That is 154. In 196, if you subtract 194, that is nothing but 42 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region. Understood? Any doubts? No doubts? Very good. Now, okay, dear students, I will be recording few important 3-mark questions, in my YouTube channel, Shah Sir classes, you can view those questions, you can try to solve the solutions for those questions. Okay. In case if you are not finding the answer for that, kindly comment in the description, in the comment section. Okay. So we will be discussing those doubts in our next session, and today it is bit late. Okay. For that purpose, I will be doing science last minute revision tomorrow. Yes, child, I will be solving surface area and volume questions also, do not worry. 5-mark related sums I will be solving here in the class. Okay, I will give you the questions. Along with that, if you have any doubts, you can comment me, I will get the solutions for those sums, do not worry. So wish you all the best of luck. Still, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. And after watching this session, you can share this video with your other friends, let they also get benefited out from this class. Okay. And I just wanted to give you one more information. The admissions are opened in our coaching center, that is Evershine Coaching Center, Bangalore. The admissions are opened for the upcoming batch, and the classes will begin for 10th and 12th standard from April 1st, 2023. 1st of April 2023, the classes will begin in our institute, that is offline classes, and we do conduct classes from class 1st to class 12th, science and commerce. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck, and I wish everyone a very happy Ugadi and also a happy Ramzan. Take care, wish you all the best of luck. We will meet tomorrow.